What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Banker Gerald here with another video update, guys. It is January 23rd on a Sunday morning, 2022. And we're here to talk about a platform that's been around since, well, at least been reporting since August of 2021. We're talking about a bot that trades in the Forex market. Automated. Winning percentage of 92% since August of last year. Averaging 3 trades a day. BOJ's had his footprint in it since late December. I'd say December the 28th. And it has not lost a trade since December the 29th. Now, y'all know I can only speak for myself. I can't speak for anybody else. But I'm talking about Intelligence Prime Capital. And boy, oh boy, do I think we got one here. With that being said, let me go ahead and get this out the way. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor, all right? I'm just a dude on YouTube, and I'm showing y'all how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms. Nothing more, nothing less, y'all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Now, Intelligence Prime Capital, I had been hearing about it on the space, in the YouTube space. Some of the other leaders had got in before I did, and I was kind of watching it. But I didn't pay it any close attention until one of my close colleagues brought it to me. She said, "Gerald, you need to look at this." And I said, "What is it?" She said, "It's something that trades in the crypto, in the Forex market." I was like, "Okay, well, how can I bring that to my journey? You know, does it have a crypto element?" I said, "Yes. In fact, it does. It's crypto in and crypto out." So I said, "You're meaning to tell me that I can use my crypto to fund a Forex trading account?" She said, "Yeah, you should check this out." And when I saw it, I was like, man, this could be something big. So for those of you that already know about Intelligence Prime Capital, it takes Bitcoin and USDT Tether, which is the TRC version, actually, TRC 20. So the whole thing, I believe, is USDT TRC 20. And in withdrawals, it gives you USDT TRC 20. But you're able to use that to fund a trading account with Intelligence Prime Capital. And I'm excited, y'all. As you can tell, I haven't even started the screen share yet. I usually do that immediately. But we've only been in this platform not even a whole 30 days, y'all. It's the 23rd of January. We got in around the 28th, 29th. And we can confirm that. I can go to internal transfers. I'm sorry. I should be able to go to reports. I should know this stuff by now. I think I'm just a little excited. But we can go to fund transaction history and we can look this up. I usually like to bring that 1,000 showing results so I get a whole bunch and I don't have to deal with a whole bunch of pages. You know, I like to just scroll on down. It's going to take a little while. There's been a lot of transactions in this account, in and out. So we're getting down to December the 29th. On December the 29th, I think I put $2,000 in my MT4 account. $2,050. All right. That was my skin in the game. And through, of course, upping my ante a few times, using all my referral commissions, and my trading profits since that time, I've gotten my account up to $24,648. And I'm excited about this week of trading with that account funded at this level. Now, the beauty of sharing links in this platform, I truly believe that this is about helping people make money. When you help people make money, you should make money. That's exactly what's happening here in Intelligence Prime Capital. There's not one person that has a balance in their MT4 trading account that has bought a bot from this platform. Hopefully you got in on the Genius bot trading 3 times a day, up to 45% a month. But if you didn't, that's okay. Up to 15% a month is great. Up to 30% is even better. But for $100, why not go ahead and get up to 45% a month return on your investment? Why not? That's where everybody else's money's going. That's where all the other investors are. Well, I can't say all of them because there's a solid, almost 1,700 in the others. So shout out to y'all. I hope one day that you'll be able to make enough in these plans to upgrade yourself to the Genius bot. But when you've got some skin in the game in this platform, it can really make a difference in your passive income. And I truly mean passive. Because as I did say, sharing the link helps you make money. Even if you do not share your link with not a person. If I don't share my link with anyone, and of course, we're going to leave the, actually, no, we won't. We'll just use a calculator and do that too. So let's just say you had 20,000 in your account. All right. Times 0.45, which represent 45%. That's 9,000, right? So let's just say the company, of course, they take their 20% a week, right? So of course we want to divide this. We can divide this by 4 weeks. This is a total month, right? Divided by 4. That's $2,250 a week before they take their 20%. All right? Now they take their 20% from that. They're only taking $450. So 80%, which is the quickest way to do that math, 80% of that $2,250, you're walking away with $1,800 a week. A week. That's $7,200 a month. Passively, without sharing anything. Without sharing anything. Without even talking about the fact that each day that you get returns, that's a new trading volume in your trading account. So Monday, when it goes through its Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday trades, what it's making you, it's like compounding it itself in the MT4 trading account because your trading volume is higher. Now, some of that may be going over some of you guys' heads. That's okay. I'm just speaking about some of the things that excite me. So those of you that are on the same page as me, you might find value in that. I want to do a shameless plug just real quick. And I want to go to YouTube, right? Excuse this website here because that's a fallen platform we was just talking about. But I want to go to YouTube. All right? And I want to show you guys this channel. It's called the Forex Gifting Tribe. Right? And the leader of this channel, his name is Sal Khan. Shout out to Sal. He doesn't know who I am, or maybe he does. I don't know. But he put out this video. He has a bunch of videos, a lot of great presentations and things of that nature. I just wanted to shout out the channel just real quick. But this video right here, the live 20,000 recompounding in the MT4. This man started working in this platform on my birthday, December the 2nd. And he talks about it in this video. From December the 2nd to now, January the 23rd, he started off with $1,000. The only thing he did was take massive action, hold Zoom calls, get on YouTube, share his success, share his stories, share it with others. He turned his account from $1,000 to $50,000. He hasn't even taken any money out. He just keep rolling it in. So now he's at a trading level of $50,000. He just put his $20,000 from his bonuses of this week back into his MT4 account. And his goal, which he says in this video, and I love the fact that he stated his goal and what his goal is, because y'all know I love to do that too. It's good to speak these things. He says, when I get to 6 figures in my MT4 account in Intelligence Prime Capital, that's when I'll start taking my profits. So what that said to me is, okay, this is one of the leaders in the platform. He's a managing director at this point. I think he just actually hit shareholder director yesterday. So shout out to him for hitting that rank. I follow him on Facebook too, Sal Khan. He's a good dude, man. Can't help but like him. You know what I'm saying? He's had his hardships, but he's a fighter, and I always respect that about people. They turn their negatives into positives, and everyone has the power to do that. And I have a lot of respect for people that actually do what it takes to do that. So I suggest everyone watch this video, right? It makes me feel comfortable about where my money is. You know how y'all tell me, like, you're like the guy I know that puts money in the platforms before we have to. So, you know what I'm saying, we can see it work before we get into it. Well, I need people like that in my life too. And whether they know me or not, Sal and Marshonda and all these people that are killing it in IPC, I look up to them and I watch their content and I see what's going on, even if it's just to see how much money they made or how much they have in their trading account. You know what I'm saying? I like watching that stuff. So anyway, shameless plug to Sal. But it's just a testament of what this platform is doing, and also the trust level that people have to raise their MT4 trading capital accounts. This is not, and he mentions this in his video, and I just wanted to say it in the way that I remember it. He said when he got involved with this platform, it wasn't that, it has the aspiration of being this. It wasn't trying to paint the vision of what it could be, or some token that they're going to release that, if you hold it, it could be this, or it could be that, which we do experience out here in the space that we're in the hype space, in the platform space, even mid-level, larger platforms. They still say, hey, we got this token. Ain't nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that and having that vision for a token. That's the space we're in. We're in crypto now. So anybody can have, I could have the BOJ coin right now if I wanted to. Or pretty soon. I could have the BOJ coin if I wanted that. But the point of what I'm trying to say is this company didn't have to paint a picture about what the vision is for the company or what it could do. It said, look us up. Look what we are doing already. If you click on subscription and you click on this little MyFX book link, this is literally a footprint of what they've been doing since August 10th last year and how they've been trading. And there's traders out there that know way more than me because I'm not a traditional trader. This is the only trading I'm like a baby trader, like Dorian said. Those of you that know the Millionaire Vibes, shout out Millionaire Vibes. So I'm a baby trader. I just take the crypto I got, trade it into some of these platforms. Hopefully I get some back. Maybe I win, maybe I don't. This is traditional trading in the Forex market. It's trading at 96% in the shorts, 92% in the longs. Some of y'all know what that means. I don't, but I know there's more green in here than there's red. And that is common sense to me. And this whole platform is about monitoring people's trades. This is my FX book. This is a track record of what the company has done. So, with that being said, it didn't try to paint that picture about what it could be or this or that. It said, what am I doing right now for people? What can, and for those of you that have this on MT4, which you don't have to have it on MT4, I want to remind you, you can look at all of your transaction and stuff right here in your back office. You don't have to have MT4. But for those of you that like looking at MT4 like me, because I believe it's a convenient way to show proof, and I'm going to stop the share for a second just to make my screen a little bit bigger. My MT4 account, as I search for the app, as you can see, it reflects that I have $24,648 in this account. That's what this week is going to start off. Well, before I put this amount that I have in my back office right now, I'm going to put that in. But if I just click on week, right, you see at the top, it says week. Just for the week. We're talking about wins here. And I know it's hard to kind of keep this in the camera. This minus 1,653, that's the profit it takes for the week. It takes all the profit out for the week. All right? Just the profit, not stuff from the balance of your trading account. Just the profit. It takes it out of the MT4. It takes its 20%. It puts the rest back into your blue wallet, one that I'll show you what it looks like right now. Just so we're clear, this wallet right here, it does this on, I think we got it on Friday. Put it back in our wallet, then we have a choice to make. Do we withdraw or do we load up our MT4 trading account with our profits? Or do we do a mixture of both? We have the opportunity to do that. Also, so for those of you that are interested in withdrawing from your MT4 trading account, you can do that on Saturdays when it's not trading in the market. It gives you that option, but you can't do it during the week. You can only do it on Saturdays. And to be honest with you, when you get to this point right here, you don't really want to pull that out at all, unless you have a dire emergency, which it has to be crazy dire. Because what that does, it can affect your ranking. It can affect so much stuff if you pull from your MT4 trading account. Especially if you have a balance up here in the leadership level type balances. If you have like $100,000 and if you want to pull out 15, you know what I'm saying? I don't think that would be an issue, you know. But it takes away from what you would be, what your trading volume is for that next week. So I like to, what my goal is to reverse engineer an income from this platform that pays all my bills. But in order to reverse engineer an income from this platform, you have to have an MT4 trading capital balance. You have to keep a balance if you want that up to 40% to happen for you every month. So I don't have any plans on withdrawing any MT4 trading capital. I will only be withdrawing my profits. If that, I might start rolling it up. I'm seeing other leaders decide they want to put 50,000 in, and that doesn't mean that I have to. Let me just be clear. Just because they do it don't mean I go and jump off a bridge too, right? You never put in anything that puts your family at risk, you at risk, your health at risk, your house, your kids, college, whatever goals you have, you don't put them at risk. But if you have those goals that you want, you have to put things in place. Don't put yourself in risk. But if it helps you attain your goals, you have to put things in place. And this is me putting things in place for what I want, all right? I'm getting very close to being a regional manager, and as I was looking at some numbers, managing director. I am currently a regional director. I'm very close to being managing director. I'm about halfway there in my group sales. We're working on getting to 300,000. And I know I can do that because in another platform that I'm in called Futures Trade, I've got like 2.5 million in referral commissions in that platform. So I know that it's possible. It's just the amount of time, whatever time it takes to get there is what it takes to get there. I do know to become a shareholder director, I need 100,000 in personal sales, and I'm about $15,000 away from that. And I know that I'm going to reach that. So I'm excited about the future. I'm excited about what's getting ready to happen. Not only for me, but everyone that's on the teams affiliated with me, my leaders, Sal, the Forex gifting community, like everyone that is in IPC. I literally was in their Facebook group and I found this guy who's in Nigeria, which I'm sure is a part of this managing director, like team of people from Nigeria. Shout out to Nigeria, yo. Y'all are killing it. And just a short thing. Like one thing that is like the difference, I believe, between like American teams and teams from other cultures is really because us Americans, we're so skeptical about everything. Like we'll question, like the sky will be blue in front of us and we'll find every reason to nitpick and try to figure out why it's not blue or why this one part of the sky is gray because of a cloud or like I don't know what it is. Maybe it's something in the water. I don't know. And I won't get into the history of America here, but what I will say is if us Americans don't get it together and start kind of working with each other and start trying to figure things out together, then a lot of these countries are going to just surpass us. So I don't want to be one of those Americans that isn't pushing and striving for better. That's not going to be me. And those of you that know me, y'all know that ain't me. All right. Anyway, I got into a little tangent. This can get exciting, y'all. So it makes talkers want to talk. When we're excited, we start talking. All right. This is Intelligence Prime Capital. Before I go, I want to go ahead and do a USDT wallet transfer into the MT4 account. Now, I go to transaction, go to internal transfer, and some of you guys will notice that they have added the verification code to this portion. So, of course, it's going to send the verification code to the email that you have on file with Intelligence Prime Capital. So, as I am going into my email and getting this code, I just want to remind everyone that they have added this, and this is not an issue. This is just another level of security, because as we get our notifications on this website, every time we go to the homepage, there are scammers all over this place, all over the planet, and they are looking to try to fish into your account, especially for people that put themselves out there. You know what I'm saying? That's part of the risk of having a platform. You're put out there for people to try to take advantage of you. So the best thing that you can do is make sure that your security is as good as it can be, and I'm encouraged that Intelligence Prime Capital is understanding of that need of security, and they have given us every opportunity to be just that, secure. All right. It would help if I put how much I wanted to put in the account, right? That might help. All right, let's go ahead and do that. And of course it says internal transfer successful. Boom, that's done. And as we can go back, we'll see our trading capital account has increased to $24,820. And I haven't decided yet, but I might increase this to $25,000 before it starts its next trading. So by the time I do my video tomorrow, you might see it at $25,000 plus. All right. I really just can't. I'm just over the moon about this platform, and to be able to track everything on MT4 for the last 3 weeks, it's really been great. It's been a great tool. As I'm talking to some friends and family about this, I can say, look, I know you're into trading and you want to be into trading. I'm into trading too, but I ain't trying to sit in front of a graph all day. I have found something that allows me to passively trade and not even have to worry about doing anything. It does this on its own. It kicks me back my profits. And I think a 80-20 split is just fine with me, especially when all I got to do is keep the account funded. And, you know, if this thing goes the distance, of course, we all know the risk in online platforms, but you have to assess risk in different ways. And when this has immediate results, like you can see the trade results the next day if you're someone who gets in today. If you're a person that is just looking at this today, you would see trading results tomorrow. So, hey, I don't tell nobody what to do, right? That being said, put your 2FA on everything, all the platforms that will allow you. Obviously, this is one of them, so please use it. And on your wallets, because crypto is the wild, wild west. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. This is Intelligence Prime Capital. This is one of the most impressive platforms that I have ever seen. People are coming in and they're killing this all over the world. Why not us? Why not? Peace out, y'all.